Hello everyone, welcome to Pham Ngu Lao Primary School. Today we're gonna study the new lesson, Review 2. And with this lesson, we're gonna review about this form. We had a concert. You find the dinosaur museum and the stick who check it instead. Now, let's move to the first one. Unit 4. We had a concert. So, in the unit, we will review about some words at the concert, like concert, drums, instrument, violin, audience, recorder, cheer, and stage. And we also study about the simple past with irregular verb. For example, we had a concert at our home. All our friends were there. Everyone was great. And when we use the simple past, we have to change the verb. For example, is we change to was, and are we change to were, have we change to had. For example, we had a concert. All our friends were there. Everyone was great. And we also study about the regular verb. We need to add ed after the verb. For example, clean, clean, clap, clap. For example, our mom played the piano. The audience clapped and cheered. When we use the simple past, we need to pay attention at the adverbial of time, like last week, last night, yesterday, 2 weeks ago. Don't forget. And with Unit 5, the dinosaur museum, we study about some words like dinosaur, museum, model, scary, scream, roar, alive, and dead. We keep studying about simple past with irregular verb. When we use irregular verb with simple past, we need to change the form of the verb. Right? We went to the dinosaur museum. We didn't go to the school. We didn't go to school. I saw dinosaurs. I didn't see fish. This is some way for you to change the verb from present to the past. Like buy, we change to bought. Eat, ate. Go, change to went. Can, cook. Know, knew. Make, made. See, saw. Think, talk. Wear, wore. Drive, row. And we can say who check it did. We study about some words related to sport, like team, jacket, sticker, trophy, kick, score goal, backpack, win, won. And we also study about possessive pronoun with mine, yours, his, hers, ours, their. For example, it's my jacket, it's mine. They're your sticker, they're yours. It's his ball, it's his. They're her sandwiches, they're hers. It's our trophy, it's ours. It's their backpack, it's theirs. And we also speak about adverb. So when do we do adverb? We need to add ly after adjective. For example, with slow, we have slowly. He ran slowly. Quiet, quietly. They talk quietly. Happy, happy. She smiled happily. Careful, carefully. They did their homework carefully. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take you to an adventure of Sobaku. Yes, he is on his journey to find Dragon Ball. Now, let's find the first Dragon Ball. Number 2, we have sticker. Number 3, we have T. Number 4, we have 3/4. Number 5, we have traffic. Number 6, we have stage. Number 7, we have trophy. Number 8, we have cheer. Okay, now let's move to the second Dragon Ball. Okay, so as a sign you have to read, choose the correct word, and fill in the blank. Here we have firework, cheer, concert, drum, stage, and audience. So now let's do with me. Emily and Jerry are both 10. On Wednesday, they go to music lesson. Emily is learning the violin and Joey is learning the violin is a musical instrument, and this one will have been bright instrument. The drum. Joey is learning the drum. Last week they performed in a. Where did they perform? They performed in a concert. Emily went up on the stage first. Then it was time for Joy. And they were nervous, but they played well. The who clap is audience. The audience clap and cheer. Emily and Joey were proud. Okay. The third Dragon Ball. Touch on read. So we need to read and write what Nia did yesterday afternoon. See what she is doing. What she is doing. What she is doing. But right now, we need to find what she did yesterday afternoon. Okay, with exercise, we need to find line. Nia watched TV yesterday afternoon. It was about dinosaur movie. Some of the dinosaur bones were already baked. Her brother played soccer outside yesterday afternoon. One more time. Nia watched TV yesterday afternoon. It was about dinosaur movie. Some of the dinosaur bones were already baked. Her brother played soccer outside yesterday afternoon. Now, okay, she's on the way to get the 4th Dragon Ball. Now, mark the question with the answer. The number 1, where did you go yesterday? So we have to do sentence B. I went to the movie. Number 2, what did you see? What did you see? I saw a movie about tigers. D. I saw a movie about tigers. Number 3. Did you find anything there? Did you find anything? Yeah, I bought a drink. Did you eat after the movie? Yes, Yes, I ate dinner at home. Yes, I ate dinner at home. Number 4, Number 5, what did you think of the movie? What did you think of the movie? I thought it's still great. Okay, so number 1 we have B. Number 2 we have D. Number 3 we have E. Number 4 we have A. And number 5 we have C. The 5th Dragon Ball. So, let's choose the correct possessive pronoun. This is the fact. Number 1, good job. This is yours. Number 2, we didn't order it. Perhaps it. Perhaps it's there. It's there. Look at this new computer. Look at this new computer. It's ours. It's ours. I think it's hers. I think it's hers. Number 5. I think these are my brother. Yes, they're his. I think these are my brothers. Yes, they're his. Number 6. This is your jacket. But where? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I jacket? Where am I? Okay, so right now we're gonna move to an island to find the 6th and 7th Dragon Ball. And with 6th and 7th Dragon Ball, we move to the extensive reading fossils. What are fossils? So, we have to listen and repeat. What are fossils? Fossils are parts of animals that died a very long time ago. You can find fossils in rocks. You can see the shape of the animal. Some fossils are more than 500 million years ago. Why are fossils important? Fossils tell us about the past. We can learn about types of rocks, and we can learn about animals that lived a very long time ago. Where can you find fossils? You can find fossils in many places. You can find them on a mountain and in lakes. You can find them in rivers and on beaches. You can find them under the ground too. How can I see the fossils? You can visit museums to look at fossils. The Geological Museum in Hanoi has a nice collection. You can also look for fossils on the beach. Sometimes you can see them on the sand or in the rocks. This is a fossil of an ammonite. These animals lived in the sea about 400 million years ago. Today, you can find these fossils on beaches in England. Some scientists even found ammonite in Dallas. These fossils were found in Nai in Vietnam and was part of a kind of rhinoceros that used to live in Vietnam. From looking at the teeth, scientists think that the rhinoceros used to live in the forest. Okay, I'm gonna say this really important. What are fossils? Fossils are parts of an animal that died a very long time ago. You can find fossils in rocks. You can see the shape of the animal. Some fossils are more than 500 million years old. Why are fossils important? Fossils tell us about the past. We can learn about types of rocks, and we can learn about animals that lived a very long time ago. Where can you find fossils? You can find fossils in many places. You can find them on mountains and in lakes. You can find them in rivers or on beaches. You can find them under the ground too. How can I see a fossil? You can visit museums to look at fossils. The Geological Museum in Hanoi had a nice collection. You can also look for fossils on the beach. Sometimes you can see them on the sand or in the rock. It is a fossil of an ammonite. These animals lived in the sea about 400 million years ago. Today, you can find these fossils on beaches. in Inland. Some scientists even found ammonite in their lab. This fossil found in Niue in Vietnam and was part of a type of rhinoceros that used to live in Vietnam. From looking at the teeth, scientists say that the rhinoceros used to live in the forest. Okay, so from this reading, I have a question. Where are fossils? Fossils are parts of animals that died a very long time ago. How old are fossils? Some fossils are more than 5 million years old. What can we learn from fossils? We can learn about types of rocks, and we can learn about animals that lived a very long time ago. Where can we find fossils? You can find fossils in many places such as on mountains, in lakes, in rivers, on beaches, and on the ground. Where did scientists find the ammonite in Vietnam? Some scientists found the ammonite in their lab. Where did the rhinoceros used to live? The rhinoceros used to live in the forest. And now I have 2 questions for you to do at home. That is, would you like to find a fossil? And why? Do you like learning about the past? Do you like it? Learning about the past? You tell me why. Okay, so practice this exercise at home. You need to find a picture of an animal that lived in the past. Talk about it. Okay, for example, there's the picture of plesiosaur. It lived in the ocean. It was long. It had a very long neck, like fish. Tell me about the animals that lived in the past, you know? Okay, so that is the lesson today. Bye. Recollect enough 7 Dragon Ball, and this is the time for the dragon appear. Goodbye, everyone.